In this video, I'll show you how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix. First, go to your site editor. To start, you'll need to add a menu. On the left-hand panel, click Add Elements. Then go to Menu and Anchor. And select Horizontal Menus. Choose a menu style you like and add it to your page. Now click on the Manage Menu button. Here you can show or hide menu items or delete any items you don't need. To add a drop-down mega menu, click the Settings icon, then select Set Advanced. Next, add a menu item and choose Mega Menu as the type. You can rename this menu to whatever you like. Click the Edit button next to Container. This will allow you to customize the layout of the mega menu. Now it's time to add submenus. Click Add Elements again. Go to Menu and Anchor, and this time select Vertical Menus. Pick a style and then add it to your menu container. Align it however you want. Now to customize it, click on Manage Menu, then just choose on which items to show. Click on the three dots beside that item and show it in menu. Once everything looks good, just click on Save. Now you can preview your site. And when you click on the main menu item, the drop-down mega menu with your submenus will appear. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.